Today we will discuss phrasal verbs with set. First word is set up, meaning to establish or arrange something. Example, they set up a new business and started selling handmade crafts online. Set off, meaning to start a journey or trip. We set off early in the morning to avoid traffic on our road trip. Set in, meaning to establish or begin and continue in a fixed way. Example, the cold weather has set in and we can expect frosty mornings. Set aside, meaning to save or allocate something for a specific purpose. For example, he set aside some monthly money for his future travels. Set out, meaning to start a journey or a task with a particular goal or intention. For example, they set out on a mission to find the hidden treasure in a jungle. Set back, meaning to delay or hinder progress. Example, the bad weather set us back by a few days in completing the construction project. Set in motion, meaning to initiate or start something. For example, the new manager set in motion a series of changes to improve the company's productivity. Set off, meaning to trigger or cause something to happen. Example, the loud noise set off a panic among the crowd. Next word is set up, to assemble or arrange something for use. Example, she set up the tent and prepared the camping gear for the overnight trip. Set forth, meaning to explain or state something clearly. Example, the lawyer sets forth the terms of the contract to the clients. Set about, meaning to start or begin a task or project. Example, they set about organizing the event by creating a detailed plan and assigning responsibilities. Set upon, meaning to passionately pursue or engage in activity or task. Example, he set upon his hobby of painting and spent hours at the easel. Set upon, meaning to attack or assail someone. The wild animals set upon the intruders who entered their territory. Set about, meaning to start doing something with determination or energy. They set about cleaning the entire house before the guests arrived. Thank you for watching this video.